Hello, friends. My name is Kiddo, and I love space. Today, we are going on an amazing adventure to visit the biggest planet in our solar system. It's a giant, colorful world full of incredible surprises. Are you ready? Let's blast off. Welcome to planet Jupiter. So, what exactly is planet Jupiter? Well, Jupiter is the fifth planet from our sun. If you were counting from the sun, it would be Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and then Jupiter. And when I say it's the largest planet, I mean it's huge. Jupiter is so gigantic that all the other planets in our solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, could all fit inside it at the same time. Imagine a giant basketball, and all the other planets are like tiny marbles. That's how big Jupiter is. But here's a super interesting fact. Jupiter isn't a solid planet like Earth, where you can walk around on the ground. It's something very different. Let's find out what it's made of. Jupiter is what we call a gas giant. That means it's mostly made of gases, not rocks and dirt. The main gases are hydrogen and helium. Does that sound familiar? They're the exact same gases that make up our sun. Because it's a gas giant, Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface to stand on. So, if you tried to land a spaceship there, you wouldn't land at all. You would just keep sinking and sinking through its thick, swirling clouds. It would be like trying to stand on a cloud here on Earth. It's a planet with no ground. Isn't that wild? Now, let's talk about the weather on Jupiter. It's not just a little windy. Jupiter has the biggest and most powerful storms in the entire solar system. These storms are like hurricanes on Earth, but much, much bigger and stronger. The most famous storm on Jupiter is called the Great Red Spot. You can even see it in pictures of the planet. It's a giant, swirling, reddish-colored storm that's been spinning for hundreds of years, maybe even longer. And get this, the Great Red Spot is so enormous that it is actually bigger than our entire planet Earth. Can you imagine a storm bigger than our whole world? That's how powerful Jupiter is. Let's think about time. A day on Earth is 24 hours long, right? That's how long it takes for our planet to spin around one time. Well, Jupiter spins incredibly fast. It's the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. Because it spins so quickly, a day on Jupiter is super short. One day on Jupiter is only about 10 hours long. That means if you lived on Jupiter, your days would go by really, really fast. You'd have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the day would already be over before you knew it. Okay, so is Jupiter hot or cold? Since Jupiter is very far away from the sun, much farther than Earth, its outer cloud layers are extremely cold. We're talking freezing cold, colder than any place on Earth. But here's the tricky part. Deep inside the planet, under all those layers of gas, Jupiter is super hot and has incredible pressure. It's actually hotter than the surface of the sun in its core. Jupiter also has very, very strong gravity. Gravity is what keeps us on the ground. Jupiter's gravity is so strong that it pulls on everything around it with immense force. Guess what? Jupiter isn't alone out there in space. It has a huge family of moons. While Earth has just one moon, Jupiter has more than 90 moons that we know of. Wow, that's a lot of moons orbiting one planet. The four biggest and most famous moons are called the Galilean moons, named after the astronomer who discovered them. Their names are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. And here's a fun fact. Ganymede is the largest moon in our entire solar system. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. Did you know that Jupiter is like a giant bodyguard for Earth? It's our cosmic protector. Because Jupiter is so massive and has such strong gravity, it acts like a giant space vacuum cleaner. It pulls in asteroids and comets that might otherwise be on a path to come close to Earth. So, by attracting these space rocks, Jupiter helps keep our planet safer. It's like having a giant big brother in the solar system looking out for us. So next time you see a picture of Jupiter, you can say, "Thank you, Jupiter." Wow, What a journey! So now we know that Jupiter is absolutely huge. It has giant, stormy weather like the Great Red Spot. It spins super fast, and it acts as our solar system's protector. It's a powerful and fascinating gas giant. Did you enjoy our space adventure to Jupiter today? I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you liked our trip, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Kiddo Science for more amazing adventures. I can't wait to explore with you again soon. See you next time. Bye.